lovely people, and welcome to this episode of Insta360 TV. If this is your first time here, I am Hannah, and this to my right is my main man, Gabby. Some of you may or may not know, but Gabby is the man behind the camera for Insta360 TV. However, alongside that, he is also for how many years? 20?
Yeah, like about 10 years.
About 10 years as a professional filmmaker. Why is that relevant to this episode? I'll let Gabby tell you the rest.
Well, I got a call to make a video advertisement, and I thought it would be a good idea and to challenge myself to use nothing but the 1 hour.
Okay, nice. So why are we gonna do that?
Well, first, like I said, I want to challenge myself, but also the 1 hour give me the possibility to get some shots that conventional cameras can't.
Okay, nice. So we're gonna take you guys behind the scenes on a paid professional project of this professional filmmaker using only the Insta360 1R. Gonna change out mods, but let's get started. So we are here at location number 1, and for each of the shoots we're just gonna kind of go through what different mods we're gonna use and why we're using them. So scene number 1, what's going on?
So we got 3 shoots. The first one is for commuting, so we come to a subway.
Okay, nice.
And using the Leica 1-inch mode, and that's because even though it's a sunny day, not very sunny inside, it's kind of like very dark inside the subway. So yeah, this is the right tool for this shoot.
Okay, let's see what happens. So you know, I mentioned that we're trying to film this in one day. Basically, we've got this shot where it entails a lot of commuting on the train and it's taken forever, but maybe you can explain the shots, see what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so basically, like I say, the shoot's for commuting.
Yeah.
So I want to kind of get him in and out of the subway, which, yeah, it's not that easy as it sounds. But
yeah. So we've sent the model on the train and we need to make sure that it's on the exact same door that we're going to be at, and then he's going to be walking in, and then we match that with the next scene that we're going to go to. But it's 3:30, golden hour is getting closer by the minute, so let's hope that he's at the right door.
Go. Faster, Carl, faster, 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 faster. Ready to shoot? I'm gonna shoot myself while doing a commercial shooting. Here we go.
So not only do we have Gabby shooting, editing and directing today, but he's also going to be a model, so a man of many, many, many hats. Right, Gabby, come on. Woo!
Now we go meet the next model at the beach.
Let's go. Golden hour is approaching, and as you know, we always like to do things in quick style. We have 1 day to film all of this. So Gabby, how are you feeling?
We're doing good. We're a little bit late actually. We're behind schedule, which is very normal. Being behind schedule is just...
You see, Gabby's from Argentina, so things are never rushed in Argentina, you know. Oh, it's okay, let's have a coffee, let's relax, let's take a siesta. So I'll see you guys at the beach.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've made it to the beach. The sun hasn't set yet, Argentinian style. So we're doing a little mix of the 360 and the 1-inch here, but talk through the scenes, and you want to tell everyone why you're using those for those specific scenes.
Okay, because I'm kind of like the director, filmmaker, everything. I'm the actor at the same time. I'm gonna get the VR, get some shots on myself. So I wanna get like a quick drone shot. So it kind of like give more value to my production.
Yeah.
My client will be happy, say, oh wow, you got a drone.
Yeah.
It's VR. No drone, no problem. And then I'm gonna quickly grab back to the 1-inch after getting a couple of shots with the VR, and I'm gonna go shoot the next model, Gary, that he's a paddle boarder.
So why are you switching between the 360 and the 1" for this scene?
Well, the 360 because I want to get the drone shot,
Yeah.
and the 1" because there is a high contrast image, so I want the best quality possible, and another
Okay.
1" will deliver.
And because you know that he's a director, if you see any terrible B-roll throughout this whole video,
My
it's
fault.
me.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
It's me. Okay, so let's get started before the sun goes down. Let's rock it.
Let's go. And the other one is just totally still, just there,
Okay,
like that.
so let's do the panning one first
Yeah.
and then the still.
The old lady and the kid, and this guy sitting there. Okay. Again, go Gary.
Okay, go.
Keep looking at the top.
I genuinely feel so bad. I'm usually used to being in front of the camera, so this B-roll thing is kind of new to me. And I just stood in the
position, go.
sandcastle of like a really
Walking
small
in.
child. I feel so
It's okay,
bad.
it's okay. Okay, holding there. Look to your right, like you're looking far away in the horizon. More to your right side. That's the left side. Your other way. Excellent. And now walking. Okay, stop. Get in the water.
So the weather is turning super bad super quickly and we need to be good with time, so I can't follow Gabby, but he is finishing off the day with the 360 mod on the invisible selfie stick on his e-skateboard, so we can get those fake drone shots transitioning from the board to meeting the paddle border for the waterproof shoes. So let's see if we can get this all done on time. It's looking good and we should get the final result. So director, final remarks, how are you feeling about it?
Pretty good, that was not bad, especially for only one day shooting. That was pretty good. I'm good, I'm happy.
Okay, well if you're happy, then I'm happy. But anyway, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if any videographers or filmmakers like our main man Gabby here fancy giving this a try on your next shoot, then you've seen a practical real life example. So if you do, don't forget to hashtag Insta360TV, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification so you don't miss our episodes on every Tuesday, every week. So thanks again for watching. Congratulations, Gabby.
Thank you.
And we'll see you for the next one. Hannah, and many of you may not know, but this is my filmmaker Gabby. Why is that relevant to this episode? Well,